Hello, this is Charlene. We are going to solve for the variable. In this equation, our variable is the y. We've got a y here, here, and here. It is on both sides of the equal sign, both sides of the equation. So let's go ahead and get started. How are we going to go about trying to solve this? Well, we need to think about order of operations. Order of operations over here helps us know what to do next. But the first thing we do need to do is to see if we can do anything with parentheses. And then if we cannot do anything inside the parentheses, we are going to eliminate the parentheses. After that, we're going to go to the bottom and we're going to solve by working order of operations backwards and combining our like terms. Okay, so we cannot combine y and 4, nor can we combine y and -1 because those are not like terms. However, we can eliminate the parentheses by distributing into the parentheses. When we distribute into the parentheses, we multiply into the parentheses. So we are going to do that with the 8. We're also going to do that with the -2, and we will distribute that into this set of parentheses. Okay, so let's get started. 8 times y, that is 8y. 8 times the 4, that is 32. Then we're going to distribute -2 into the y. -2 times y, and -2 times a -1 is a positive 2. We have to always remember that a negative times a negative will generate a positive number. The negatives cancel each other out. Okay, so let's go ahead and finish writing what we have over here on the other side. We have 70 minus 3y. Okay, so my next order of business is to combine my like terms. So I have a y term right there, which is a variable term. I have a y term right there and a y term right here. So again, my goal is to keep everything balanced and equal. So I want to figure out how to get the -3 over to the other side with the other two y terms. So before I do that, let's go ahead and combine the two y terms that are on this side. Okay, so I've got 8y minus 2y. 8y minus 2y gives me 6y. And then I can also consider the 32 and the plus 2. Those are both constants. We can combine constants because they are like terms. So plus 32 plus 2, that is going to give me a plus 34. Again, we have our equal sign right here, and I still have my 70 minus my 3y. But like I said earlier, we want to get this 3y over to the other side. So I am going to do that by considering what is going on with this 3y right now. Well, this 3y right now is being subtracted. How do I undo -3y? Well, I'm going to undo it by adding it. So again, we are actually kind of working order of operations backwards. So we're looking at the bottom first, and then the next thing we will consider will be undoing multiplication and division if that's necessary. But at this point, I'm going to do -3y. I'm going to do plus 3y on both sides. So plus 3y to keep it balanced and equal. These two cancel out. 6y plus 3y equals 9y plus the 34 is equal to the 70. Again, my goal is throughout this is to combine my like terms. So now I want to figure out how to get this constant of 34 over here with the 70. So I can go ahead and undo this plus 34 by subtracting 34. If I do it to one side, I must do it to the other side to keep everything balanced and equal and happy. Okay, so now at this point, I have 9y is equal to 70 minus 34. Let's see, 70 minus 34, I believe that would be 36. And now what can we do? we have to consider what is going on between the 9 and the y. Well, they are being multiplied. So how do I undo multiplication? I undo multiplication by dividing. So I'm going to divide out the 9 on both sides to keep it balanced and happy. These two 9s cancel out, and I'm left with y is equal to 4. Okay, that is the solution for my equation. Y is equal to 4. Click the subscribe button, like button, and come back soon.